All right, fellas, we back at it again. Today, we're gonna break down the engine. We're gonna break down the 5.3. Start getting busy. You hear me? So let's see what we gotta do first. So first, I think we're gonna have to take off the intercooler. The intake manifold and certain stuff. Remember, I'm a beginner, so I'm still learning about everything. And I'm gonna join the journey. So I saw a video that first we gotta take off these things. I'm not sure what they are, but I'm gonna take them off. Bought some picks because I saw a guy that he used some picks. Alright, so there's a little thing. You see this little thing right here? So what you do is you use a pick. There's a little thing right here. You use a pick. So basically lift it, pull it up, and then you pull. Like so. That's it. Get it off. Ta-da! So I'm gonna do that for right now and get everything rolling to take it off. So I'm gonna start that. And get it all rolling. So next, what I'm gonna remove is the intake manifold. These are held on by 8mm bolts. Remove these in. Also, what I took off was the engine pigtails. That's what the guy said in the video, but that's what that is. So I'm gonna remove the intake manifold next. They're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bolts on each side. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm not sure if I've gotta remove these holes. It looks like it's gonna be in the way. So I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna think that I'm gonna remove that as well. So that's next, guys. This is what I hate, when they don't put something in the video that you be like, what the fuck? They didn't put this in the video. But I'm having an issue with this thing right here. Let me show y'all. With this thing right here, for some reason it's tied into the throttle body. Let me see if I got a tool for it to take it off. I'll be right back. So in the video that I noticed that they didn't have the throttle body connected. Like they must have took it off, or he probably bought it without the throttle body. So I'm gonna take off the throttle body. So maybe I could take off the intake manifold, make it easier.
1 hour later.
Finally, I was able to get the throttle body off. Now I can take this off. So all these hoses though, oh my god. There we go. Yep. How simple that was. Sheesh. I'll put this screw back in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it. Got the screws in here. Knock this out. I'm not gonna lie, we got a lot of work, gentlemen. Look at that. Oh man.
Jesus Christ.
I had like leaves and everything in here. Sheesh. It's got it. What the heck? But let's see. I don't know if you can see in there. Let me turn on the flashlight. Let's see if you can see anything in there. Ooh, there's a sludge in there. Ooh, a lot of carbon. Sheesh.
The next day.
All right.
Ready, Dada?
Yeah, I'm ready. You ready, Riker?
Yeah.
All right. All right, buddy.
Oh, real.
Yeah. All right, so we gotta tell YouTube. We gotta tell them, look, you gotta look at the camera. All right, we're ready. Say, we're ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're ready. Tell them.
Ready.
All right, guys, so now we're in part 2. Tearing down the engine. I got myself a little assistant. He's gonna help me out today. Keep tearing this down. So what's next is that we gotta take off this fan. I forgot to take it off
Dada.
before. Yeah.
Me a crane.
Yeah, that's the crane.
Me a crane.
Yeah, so we're gonna take this off. Look, Riker, so we're gonna take off the fan. We gotta take off the fan now, okay? We're gonna take off the fan. It's kind of hard. I was supposed to take it off before I put it on the engine stand, but it's all right. We're gonna make it happen. I saw some things online to try to take this off. They told me that I have to somehow stop this so that I could be able to turn this. I saw a couple of ways that people could do it. I'm gonna try this way because, yeah.
A turbo poopy.
Yeah, I know, turbo poopy. I'm gonna clean it up now, puppy. So there's a way that you hold this down and turn this. I've seen people put string through this to tie it up so that it won't move. I saw people put something like this and then put a wrench like that and then hit it with a baseball bat. Can you believe that? But we're gonna try this, okay? We're gonna put this here so they can hold this so that it won't move, and then I'm gonna put a nut here and then try to twist it off and let's see if it works. All right. So this is held down right here, guys. I'm gonna put this on the nut.
One, two.
All right. Oh, all right. I think I got it. I got it, guys. All right.
Got
See?
it.
Yeah, I got it. All right, Riker. Spin it this way. Spin it like this way. Go ahead, spin it. No, just hit it like that. No, like that, Papa. Ooh, like that. Go, spin it. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going, buddy. We're the father and son duo right now. Keep going. Oh, you did it. Good job. High five. So we got this off. We got the fan off. All right. We're going to put the fan in the box. So I got a box over here that I'm storing everything in so that nothing can get loose. So then the next thing that we're going to do is, remember, get one of these and one of these, and you can be able to take it off. So the next thing that we're gonna do is I think we're gonna take off the pulleys and stuff like that, all this part. Remember, this is my first time ever doing this, so we're learning as we go, all right? Stay tuned.
Dada.
What's up, Riker? What?
I'm
Yeah, it's dirty. We're gonna clean it though. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the compressor, but this engine didn't come with it, so I'm gonna take off the shield. It's a 10 millimeter screw right here. So we're gonna take off this bolt, okay? 1, 2, and 3 right here. All right. So we need a 10 millimeter, Riker. 10 millimeter socket. Give me this right here. Look, Riker. This one. We need a 10 millimeter. Yup, that one. Good job, buddy. All right. So we're gonna put it on here. Here, hold this. Hold this. All right. So we're gonna put it on here like this. Hold on. Let me make sure. Is it 10 millimeter? Nope. Nope. Actually, it looked like a 15. Sorry about that. So I need a 15 right here. I need this one right here. A 15 millimeter, this one. This one, yep. Give me that one. You got it. No. Okay, I'll help you. Okay. Get to that. All right. Now hold this. Hold this. All right, let's make sure this goes inside. Yep, it is. All right, so we're gonna put this right here. No, don't sit there. Don't sit there. Okay. All right, now hold it. Hold it. All right. You gotta put it right here. All right. Now press the button. Pressing it. Press it hard. All right. Now press it hard, like that. All right. Ready, set, go. Oh no. Sorry, buddy. It's this way. This way. So it's this way. We gotta do it the other way. All right. Come on. Now press the button. Press it hard. All right. Let it go. All right. Let me do it. We're gonna take it off. Oh. All right. Now press it. Press the button. Push it. Good job. You got that. Good job. We gotta do the next one. Hold on. Let me do this part. Hold on. All right. Now press it. Press the button. Push it. Yeah, good job. All right, now put it with the other one. Good job, buddy. All right, we got one more. All right.
One more dot.
Yeah.
One more dot.
Hold on, let it go. Let it go. No, let it go. I'll tell you when to press it, okay? Oh, all right. Hold on, wait. You gotta put it on the bolt. No, let it go. You gotta wait to put it on the bolt. Now press it. Press it with both hands. All right, good job. Let it go. All right. All right, wait. Stand right there. Stand right here. Okay? Daddy gonna take it off.
Please.
So it don't fall on you, okay? All right, so we got that one off. Look, Record, we got it off. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the screws inside like this. Put the other one right here and put the one right there, buddy. Put it in this one. All right. And now we're gonna put it in the box. Yeah, we'll put it in the box. Good job, buddy.
One more dot.
Yeah, no, not yet, buddy. Not yet, Record.
One more dot.
All right. So next we're gonna take this off. We're gonna take this one off.
Yeah.
All right? So let's start that. All right. So what's next is. All right, guys. So what next is we're gonna take this off right here. So we're gonna hit up this one, this one, and this one to get this off. All right. Get this big bad boy off. So that's next. Ready?
Ready.
All right. So let me break it. Go. All right, hold on.
Up. Uppy.
Yeah. All right. And I'm pressing. All right. Go one. All right. Where you going? Come, I'm not done. I'm not finished. Come. Come. I'm gonna do another one. All right. You wanna do it? You wanna do it? Ooh, press it right here. Go. Go hard. Get that. Get that. All right, good job. All right, one more. Come. One more. I'm not done yet. Hold on. Bend over just. Ready. Okay. All right. Come. Press it. Press it. Come. I'll pick it up. Come. That's right here. So next, I think, hold on, let me clean my lens. So next, what we're doing is we're gonna take off the water pump. And then after that, we're gonna hit up the headers. I mean the heads, and also the headers. All right, so next we're gonna take off the water pump. So it's 6 bolts. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it should come right off. And then, ding! All right. Oh, this is not a 15 millimeter, so it's gonna be 10 millimeter. Don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. Help me out. But let me know. All right. So what's next is the exhaust manifold. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. But as you can see, I'm missing 1. And then on the other side as well, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 missing. But on this one, we're gonna take off the oil dipstick right here so that it can be more comfortable to take it off. So we're gonna do that next. Next, we're gonna take off the motor mounts. We're gonna hit this one, this one, this one, and this one. Take them out. That's next. one thing that I don't understand in none of these videos, hold on, let me turn off my light. One thing that I don't understand in none of these videos, right? No one ever shows taking out the spark plugs. They're always gone. You seen all the wires that I did, that I took off, right? No one explains that. Oh, take this off or any of that. In my videos, I'm gonna break down everything. Every little step that I do, I'm gonna show y'all, and I'm gonna do it because I'm a beginner. So anybody that's doing this, I wanna help them along the way, you know, so that whatever I may have had trouble on, they don't gotta go through, you know? So for spark plugs, I didn't know this at first, but I had to research. For spark plugs, they're actual specials sockets that you have to buy. So spark plug sockets. So you have to buy these to get these out, because then otherwise you're gonna break the socket inside, and then it's gonna be a hassle to get them out. So this one for the LS53, this one is a 16 millimeter to get it out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take out. By the way, I bought these in Temu for like $5. Great deal. I bought them with the swivel, so just in case if I do like another engine, I know that I ain't gonna have no trouble taking them out. You know, if like if the engine is inside the car or anything like that, you know, and there's like a certain angle that I can't get to, you know, it'll be easy for me to take them out. There goes one. There goes two. This one looks a little bit better. Hold on, let me turn on the light. This one's a little bit better, if you can see it, but it's still black. That's dark. This one's a little bit better. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. That's three. And this one has oil on it, though. This one has oil in it. Oh, man. The good thing about it is that I don't see no holes in the engine. Up early. This one black too. So funny thing, when I was a kid, right, somebody taught me that if you break these, right, if you don't find a spark plug and you break this little glass right here, right, even a little piece, if you take it and throw it at a windshield or any type of glass, it's gonna break, no matter what it is. I don't know why. I don't know what, I forgot what is this called or whatever. Yo, he had two different spark plugs. Whoever had this engine before, put two different spark plugs in it. Oh man. That's a bad sign. That's a bad sign, but it's okay. I'm gonna rebuild this bad boy brand new. Hey, don't put your mouth on that. Don't. Record, no. Don't do that. I'm gonna rebuild this bad boy and make it proud and put it how it always wanted to be. You know? Right, good. How I'm gonna make the engine sound? What noise is it gonna make?
A car. Make a car.
No, I know, but what noise, what sound the engine's gonna make?
It makes
Yeah.
a car.
No, what sound? The sound. It's gonna go vroom, vroom. That's a sound. By the way, my son is 2 years old. And he's still a baby, but I gotta teach him now, you know. I didn't have a dad growing up, so I'm doing the things that I wanted my dad to do with me. I'm doing it with him. I thank God every day for him.
A card.
Because
Make a card.
I never thought I would have a son. That's one of the things that I always wanted to be. That have a son. I had 2 other daughters, but I wanted to have a son so that I could teach him and be a dad to him that I didn't have for myself. So that was one thing that I was happy, you know, that I'll do right now and make sure so that I could pass it down and, you know, break the cycle. And, you know, and I thank God every day for giving me the opportunity and the blessing to be a dad, to be his dad, so that I could be able to do this, build engines, show him cars. I take him all the time to races, see cars, all types of stuff. Like we go to Legoland, Disneyland, Universal, all types of stuff. So I really live it up with him and try to do my best as a dad. You know, even though he don't know it, he never experienced something because he's only 2. But I'm just happy that he don't ever gotta go and live through that, what I lived through, you know? So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit up the heads. Watch it, Papa. Watch it. Don't stand there, because if you fall and you hurt yourself, get out. Get out right there. Move out. All right. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the heads. I mean the intake manifolds. Right? No, this is I forgot, but the heads. So we're gonna do that next. All right, guys. So we're gonna leave it up. We're gonna leave it right here. We're gonna call it a night. So that we can finish this up tomorrow or a different day. But we got everything off. We got the power. We got the water pump off. We got the power steering off. When I got the engine, I actually did not have my AC compressor, so I should have got a better discount. I'm upset about that, but hey, it is what it is. I took off my headers off, the headers as well, the intake manifold. Next is gonna be the knock sensors. I'm gonna take those out. The cold packs out. And then we're gonna keep breaking this baby down. We're gonna take the harmonic balancer off. And that's it. I'm not sure if I could turn the engine right now. Let me see. Let me see if I could turn the engine right now. That would be a good idea to try to do. Let's see. Let's see. Woo! It turns though. Oh, hold on. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the coil packs. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be one more, but I think it's not here. Oh, is it? Hold on. Oh, I think this is 5. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I think there's 4 on this side. I probably counted one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's 5 on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm missing one. But hey. Oh, okay, I see it. This is bad. Oh, this is bad. Oh man, that's bad. This is supposed to be here. So y'all know. Oh man. All right. So let's get this popping. I was gonna call it a night, but I said, hold on, let's just finish and get the top part off and get this done. So next, I'm gonna take out my oil pan. This might get messy. So there's a couple of bolts. We're gonna take a lot of bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. There's gonna be 13 or 14 bolts, depending on what it is. Y'all wondering why I have this? This is just because when I first put everything on the engine stand, I was kind of worried. I didn't think that the screws were going to be able to hold everything. So I said, let me put this just in case the engine falls or the nut snaps or something like that. So I did that just in case. I wasn't sure. One. Guys, so let me teach y'all something that I learned. So the oil pan bolts, right? All of these are gonna be the same. This one, it's gonna be the same size as this one. And the last two, the ones that are in the front, the ones that go all the way in here in the front, right? Or the back, really. The back of the engine is the one that goes in the back. Like that. So these are the only two different ones. The rest are small. So all of these are small, and then 1 and 2 are the long ones. But let's take a look in here. Looks good. I don't see no shininess. Oil looks good. That means engine is healthy, guys. Even though there's dirt, engine looks healthy. It looks like it's not. It wasn't in the junkyard because it blew up. That's the good thing. Good thing, good thing, good thing. Now we just gotta wash this bad boy. That's the oil thing. Looks good. Let's see. Let's see. Yep, looks good. All right, guys. So now, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the heads. These are 8 millimeters. These are gonna be 8 millimeters. Just show y'all. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4, I'm gonna remove. Same thing goes for the other side. Same as 4 bolts. look. Actually look bad in there. Pretty dope. Hello guys, so yep, it's a whole nother day. I called the quits last night. I got tired when I took off the last head. So let me go to rest. It was like 3 a.m. in the morning. So I said, let me take a break. I'll continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow's here. I said, I wasn't gonna record, but I was like, let me just do some work, at least a little bit. Continue this down. Keep the momentum going. So I took off one of the heads, right? I'm gonna take off the other one. You know, sometimes you gotta take a little break, you know? Sometimes you gotta take a little break. By the way, this engine is dirty, guys. It's dirty. Has some dirty coochie. Coochie! I'm kind of actually excited of building this up to see how far I can get, how good I could build this, you know? But the heads look good, everything looking good right now. So far, looks good so far. It's really oily and dirty. It looks good so far. The other one. But next, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take out the knock sensors and then pull off the heads. So we're gonna get to that next. All right, so next, there's gonna be 10mm bolts on the inside. I gotta remove 10 or 8mm bolts on the inside. I also gotta remove the rocker panels, the rockers. These are 8mm, and then 10mm on the actual heads to remove them. That's what I'm gonna do next, to take off the heads. So let's get to it, guys. All right. So let me get this, my extension. So now I got these 8mm. I'll take out the rockers first. Six. battery about to die. Come right out. All right, remove some still. Let's see. Yeah. Still got some connected. This one not. This one. This one. You just turn them to make it easier, and then pull it. That's how you know it's loose. Then just grab the rocket panel, the rack. You don't want to grab them one by one. It's just the easier way, and that's it. Now we put this in a safe place, because we're going to definitely need this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually find a box so I can put that in. You want to make sure you put them on the right side of each one. You don't want to mix up this side goes to which. Even though I'm going to get probably brand new ones, but just in case if I reuse them, I don't want to mix them up. So this is what I do. I grab a box, put front, so I know which, this is like the engine basically. And I know which side I pulled it out from. Put that front, so I pulled it out from that side, from the right side. So I put it in the right side of the box. So I know where it goes. So now for this one, I'm gonna do my. Woo! Almost lost you. Almost lost you guys. But like I was saying, I'm gonna do this one with my wrench. So I feel like I'm kind of hurting my wrench, my ratchet wrench. What, am I tightening it? Yeah, I'm definitely tightening it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now I'll grab my ratchet so I can just make it quicker. By the way, I do this at night because I work during the day, and if I was to do it on the weekends during the morning, this garage gets too hot for that. It'll be blazing, 100 degrees outside sometimes. So a service for myself, I'll do it over here. In the last couple of days, I find it kind of therapeutic to do. Hold on. Nope. Still missing. Still connected. That one. That one. Remember, just twist. And turn. Yep. So I got all of them now. This is the other rocker arm. Put it the other way in the box. All right. Now we got the head studs. The head studs are right here. You're just gonna collect them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They don't go any which way. They're all the same height. So you can just put them in. But I'm gonna put them in the box. Same thing for gloves. I'm gonna put them exactly where they need to be. Alright. So now for the actual head. The head is 10 millimeters. Give it 10 millimeter. Oh no, 15. 15 millimeter. Not 10. 15. Know what's wrong. I'm an idiot. I saw a video and then I finally figured it out. Because there's so much gunk there is, I did not see these bolts. But me, like an idiot, did not notice that there's bolts there. I should have known, like duh. Let me take these bolts out real fast so I can see the head pistons. And I was about to go to sleep because I'm like, damn, what the heck is going on? Why I can't get this head out? Let's see now. Me hammering it and all that. I'm funny. I sometimes think that I sometimes am a little slow, so don't mind me for this. I'm just a little slow. Sometimes it's just a little slow sometimes. But like I said, I'm learning. Now, this is my first time doing this, so this is all me learning. Now I figured it out, and now I know what's wrong. Now I'm gonna grab this. This. Get these out real fast. I'm like, oh, maybe it's the knock sensors. Maybe where the knock sensors need to come out from. That's right. I gotta crank my stuff. Oh, I want something that got strip bolt. Use the pick to get some of the stuff out. That's good. So much gunk. Now it's good. Let me do this fast. I was literally about to go to sleep. So let me sleep on it. Look at some videos and try to figure it out. Then I saw a video and I'm like, oh snap, this bolt's there too. I was like, no wonder, and I had to run out and do this real fast because I'm like, I need to see the heads. I want to see the pistons. All right. Woo! Pistons look good. That's how you know it's a 5.3. We got ridges size supposedly. But the pistons look good. There's no wear and tear on the inside. Let's go. Yeah. Let me show y'all. There's a lot of carbon, but there's no ridges on the sides. Everything looks immaculate. That's what I was worried about. Yeah. Now I can go to sleep and not worry about this till tomorrow. So this is gonna be the end of the video. We knocked down a whole bunch today. We tore down the engine, basically all of it. On the next video, we're gonna finish tearing it down, or I might continue it on this video. I don't know. But thank you for following. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe because there's gonna be more to it. We're gonna build this 5.3 and slap it into an Acura MDX. I'm gonna try to make my own SUV, like a concept car, and we're gonna 3D print the body panels, everything. We're gonna create our own cars. So follow the journey, like, subscribe, become part of the family, and if I could do it, you can do it. Now look, in this dirty garage, I'm making it happen. If I could do it in this garage, in this type of environment, you can too. And all I needed was a tool set, some wrenches, and one impact wrench, and I'm doing it, guys. So follow along, keep liking and subscribe. Keep liking the channel, comment. If there's anything that you think that I could do better, or any advice, let me know in the comment section. I would definitely like the advice, because I'll definitely take it. Again, this is Hovey TV, signing off, fellas. Signing.